store here. This is Dollarama. We're looking for some Pokemon deals. You see anything? Any good stuff here? Nada. Let's keep searching. Toys, I mean, no? There's even more on this side. Okay, let's start on this side. Let's see what we can find. Oh, nice. What is it?
Lego.
Lego? Yeah, let's get some Lego. Okay, we'll get that. Any Pokemon? We got some Funko. What is that, a Vuvuzela? Can you put that back where it was, please? Got some Sonic. We have this. Stop. Okay. We don't have this. Metang. Wanna go where? You have to go pee-pee? Okay. Where? No, that's not a bathroom.